Racing Villarreal pulled through. The last one of the season for all the three teams present. In front of us, Minions de l'Arbós, but also in the base, in the Viña, Nova Chichester de la Franca, and Burdegas de Villanova. So for all of us, this is the last debut of the last exhibition 2011. Here we have the Minions de l'Arbós. Building 5x7 on the Cena 6-8. We now have the Dosus in place on the part with two people. On the press. You see that the Dosus are not perfectly even, but they still hold the balance. The other part, Dosus of the Torre, we have there Asha Ecuador in place there. We have crowned Tres, we have crowned La Torre, so we have a single set, Carregat, crowned by Minions de l'Arbós. Now hold this together, this is shaking a lot. I'd say it's the third level is fighting here, the Segons are fighting. Just lower the camera because this is where the work is done. But they will make it. I'll look at the Segons. They are treating as I don't know what. But they are keeping this together. They are keeping it together. So what we have here was single set, 5x7 by Minions de l'Arbós. In Villarreal Culture Contest Catalonia 2011.